All right, this is going to be a simple tutorial that I'm using through my Proxmox virtual machine stuff to try to show you how to wipe all partitions from Windows before you start installing the actual Windows operating system. So you go here, you hit next, you hit install now, you let it start, let it load, All right, you just go here, you hit I don't have a product key, hit next, choose which one you want. I'm going to do Pro, sure, hit next, let it load, accept, hit next. Then you go to custom, go here, and every single thing in here right now, I don't have it because it's a virtual machine, but in here, if this is going to wipe everything, nothing's going to be available. There's going to be absolutely nothing in here. So you want to go in here and click each one, hit delete, each one, hit delete, delete everything one. And if you only have one hard drive, then you'll see unallocated space, only one, like a drive or like partition 0 or something. If you got two hard drives or SSDs, it'll say unallocated partition 0 and partition 1. You want to use your primary one, click it, then hit next, and then you go from there. It's quite that simple, as make sure that there's no other extra partitions on there for a complete clean Windows install.